Hey Presley, so I wanted to show you Brainpop really quick. We can use this for your social studies. We can use it for your science too. Um, but we were using Discovery Ed. Let me know what works for you. But for social studies, we want to use Brainpop for you. So what you'll do is you'll log into Clever like this. You'll click Brainpop, and then you have all of your subjects listed up here at the top. So if you go to social studies, these are units. If you want to look at each unit, you can pick any unit you want. I don't care. Or if you want to click on topics, it will give you all of the specific topics. So if you wanted to learn about a specific person in history, you can do that. You can talk about the branches of the government, anything that you want. I don't care which ones you do. But let's just show you an example here. Let's say continents of the world. We're going to do continents of the world. So you're going to click on it. And then right here, what you see is a video. So it's going to show you a video. Well, it should show you a video, but it's not loading. So let's back up here. Let's pick Jamestown Part 1. So there's a video. It's about 6 minutes long. So what you'll do is you'll watch the video. You have to watch the entire thing or it will not give you credit. So what I want you to do is watch the video. And then once you get done with the video, you're going to click quiz. Okay? You're going to take the quiz. You can click start. And there are going to be 10 questions for you to take. If you don't know the answer to this, Google it, look it up. I want you to do that research and look it up. I don't want you just to answer it and not know it, okay? So once you get done with that, then I will let you choose. There are games to play. You can do the challenge. You could do a worksheet or vocabulary. Any of those is fine. As long as you do the movie, the quiz, and then one additional thing. And so you'll do one of these every day. So then by the end of the week, you should do 5 different social studies. And then if you want to do science, you can do 5 different science. You just need to let me know so I don't keep assigning you things on Discovery Education. But this is what the games are. So if you click on this, and not all of these topics or units are going to have games, okay? But this one, you can see, you will click that, and then it'll load. And so there's a game, you'll click play game. Okay, and so then you would click play. It'll do a little video, but you can click start game. Okay, so it's going to show you a little question. Okay. And then you can just put stuff in order of where it's going to go. So you don't know where it actually goes. But once you get done with that, then you can move on to something else. If you have any issues, let me know.